in this view, you can see that the topo is kind of overlapping the ground here, and it's kind of creating a bit of a green appearance. And if we look at this rendering, you can really see it when you look at it in this rendering. So what we want to do is, I'm just going to go into the 3D view here. We want to essentially create what's called a building pad around the building. And so you go into mousing and site, there's a button called building pad. And since there's already a floor created here, we're going to try to snap to all the floor lines going around the building. Turn off that. That should, you just want to look at some of the corners to make sure they're all connected, but we got one over here that isn't, so we're just going to use this trim and extend, call it the fillet tool, just to connect those two, and then we'll have another one over here, it looks like. Now when we go to the interior rendering, we see the floor here because we have that building pad, but we do have a bit of a grain here now, so we just want to right click on that. We're going to tab over the floor until it's selected and says pad 1, and we're just going to hide pad 1. And now we have the floor revealed in this view.